Today on Sir Trozelot Gaming, we are doing the Dog Train.
Romance him. Romance the hell out of him.
We're gonna have fun with this.
Oh god, the sound is so loud. Sorry.
Oh god, I'm so used to playing Dragon Ball Z. I went to the WASD keys.
I'm big.
You're like bigger than a tower. You're almost as big as a tower.
Let me go get Elixir of Iron when I get high enough level.
Yes.
Only if you're Cho'Gath.
Your size is capped. Now ideally what's going to happen is I'm going to get early kills and I'm going to get farm blocks. I'll get to pull out some awesome dragon steals, despite the fact I'm on the wrong side of the goddamn map.
That's because you'll ult and then I'll ult. And if they're in Dragon Pit, they're dead.
That's where the train starts.
So this is pretty much global. No.
No, it's only like 2.5 towers length.
You can get from one end of the river to the other without stopping.
Yeah, now look up my map real quick.
Yeah, no, it's global.
Like, it's not edge to edge, but...
It's global.
No, I guess it'd be considered semi-global at this point.
And then there's miles.
Yasuo range.
Yeah.
At least the range gets longer as it goes on.
Yeah.
What, Nocturnes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
as you rank it up, doesn't it get higher?
Yeah, it does.
I didn't mean to walk out of the bush, I swear.
Hey, Mitch.
Guys, the jungler's missing from my lane.
Dude,
What?
Wait.
I mean, it is Vi. She can see the hell out of
Let Alex know that I can't hear him.
You can't or can?
Can.
Okay. Alex, he can hear you.
you. Alex can hear him!
Hey, I didn't know.
I know. I'm just surprised that Calvin didn't notify you of this. No, I'm
Wait.
not.
Yeah.
What?
No deaf people.
Calvin?
If only I could flash mid-Q charge. That'd make me happy.
Oh, you can.
Surprised that dude from outside of the bush. Well, inside the bush.
So at level 6, I plan on roaming somewhere.
Me too. Let's hope we hit it around the same time.
I'll actually hit it before you.
Yeah, you will.
So I should probably save mine.
Or you can just be like, hey, man, I'm gonna roll this direction. We're like, okay, I'll follow you.
This
No,
one-
like I'm just gonna ult from
Same.
mid lane to get maximum damage. Because no one's gonna expect 413 damage when all I have is a long sword.
No, why'd you go back in?
That's fun.
I'm mildly disappointed in our lad. I am disappointed in our Nocturne.
Ugh, I wish I had 6, I'd ult up over that way and just ignite Nasus and walk away.
That's
Yay,
right,
they
Bob
brought
didn't
this
have double kill available.
function back.
Well, lad appears to be fine. Thank you, Alex. I'm glad you're so confident.
I'm
At first I thought you were soloing Dragon already.
I only could if I got a map scepter and some attack speed.
Hey look, I found the jungler. She's a little bit late, but I found her.
What you got?
Alex, you're bad at this game.
Come in on me. What thought? Take minion damage.
Okay. Who paint? Oh.
Oh, I don't want to do that anymore.
What?
Load. My load.
What'd you do?
Stuff.
Did you judge Alexius?
Yes.
What did you do?
Stuff. I'm in purple.
Don't do this. Nobody likes it when you do it.
It's not like they care much afterward. SNES is still low as fuck. No, darn.
No, Vlad killed him.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
Vlad
it's
towered
not-
over him, killed him, and then just lolled back out.
Lol.
It's fucking Vlad.
You know, how close are you to 6?
I'm level 4. About halfway level 5.
Darn.
Goodbye.
Run, my friend. I didn't see Vi at all, sorry.
And I'm just like, right as you went in, this is the moment I saw it. I'm like, I can't help you.
Well, I saw them starting to go for an engage, so I was like, well, fuck that. And then I saw Vi come, and I was like, oh, I guess that's why they're engaging. That's okay, I got a sight stone.
Yay.
I think I can do this.
I've got to change out my trinket, though. I'm bad.
Can't quite do this.
Oh, you probably should have told me sooner. I would have came down and tanked it.
Oh, no, don't worry about it. I wanted to see if I could do it. I can't just yet.
God damn it, Calvin.
What? I pinged!
Yeah, I know, but...
Like, I was hoping for an engage or something.
no, I'm not 6. That's your engage, Calvin.
Calvin is now gone. Jesus.
How did I steal that? My passive.
No, I think your W got it.
Yeah, his W went off.
Oh.
Oh, you got a Mia mid. I had to flash that wall to help. Not really, I did it for style points, but still.
Well. What else is there? Well, I lost a lot of levels trying to do the dragon shit.
Lux is down here, Calvin.
Found her. I pinged Mia.
I know, that's just letting you know. Oh, you're backing? Okay. Oh no, I almost attacked that. I didn't want to attack that one. I meant to do the missing, but whatever.
Oh no, they know my keyboard's a dragon pit. I'm gonna fix that.
Okay, now I'm actually backing.
Ideally, Vi isn't lurking around here to stop me from taking it.
Want to help?
No?
Vivian doesn't get a mastery.
Really?
She doesn't have one.
Odd.
Did you get a what? You get a scroll.
Mid lane.
I'm heading up, and I don't know if there's anything I can do about it.
God damn it, Vi!
That is hilarious.
I'm coming.
Did you die?
No. I can't ignite while in passive.
No, you can't use something.
Yep. Freaking Vile, damn it.
Fucking carry Leona.
Might as well get a Trinity Force.
Oh, if I only knew!
That's what I get for trying to get a ward.
That's what Calvin gets for trying to ult
Let's
away.
get Dragon. Come on, Dragon.
I'm on my way.
Why are we getting red buff instead of Dragon?
I don't know why he's there. They're like lurking around the corner.
Cause YOLO's flag. He wants that red buff.
Here, wait, I want to get this. Alright.
Keep going. I'll say, help Hannah.
It's okay, guys. I got this.
Well, you're the one who went in.
Damn it, I tried igniting too. Man,
Oh, good, she's got Warrior instead of Devourer.
scrub. It's okay, guys. I'm building CDR so I can be in my passive more.
Bye.
I'm gonna ignore that.
I am not going to fight her either. She's 3-0-3.
I'll fight her. I'm 2-1.
Way.
I didn't mean to take those kills. I swear to God.
Oh, we don't leave you. Look, I have my ultimate, but I'm gonna back before I do anything with it. Get some boots.
Fuck you, fool!
I ulted, goddammit! I wanted to get in on that.
That was so good.
Leona OP.
I'm sad.
The lightness will shine through on your dark train.
Damn it!
Hey, you guys left me with the choice of playing support or top.
I know.
And somehow, whenever you're support, you wind up becoming carry? Question mark.
Yes.
Apparently.
You guys don't remember my Leona in like season 3?
Not particularly.
God damn it, V! Get out of my lane. Get out of here. I don't like your
Well,
cam.
Leon's gonna be up in about a minute and 15.
Mine's up in 30.
Well,
Sunfire OP.
I'm going to farm my little ass off.
I don't have enough cooldown for this. Go ham, sir. Go ham.
Lux is gonna show up.
You didn't go ham enough.
I think you went a little too ham first.
Alex.
I thought I was gonna go through the bush. I was waiting for it.
You thought wrong.
Notice. They still haven't gotten my pink ward, even though they know it's there.
I blame you.
Well, they're probably scared to. That's kind of right in my ulti area.
No, they're scared because that's where Leona lives. In case you haven't noticed, Calvin, I'm doing the best on the team. My support Corky is OP.
You just see my support Graves.
Yes! Fuck you, Nasus. I accidentally spell shielded his wither. didn't do it on purpose. You can't really tell it's coming.
Yeah.
At least Hannah can. She's bad.
Actually, it's really easy to tell that it's coming because what he does is he raises his hand up in the air.
I know. I was more worried about not dying at the time. But I shut down Vi. No, I didn't. I killed Vi.
On my way bottom.
Okay, I think they know. It doesn't matter.
Oh man, I almost killed him with that E.
So how many specializations?
Shit!
There's 3.
Screw it, I get you, Vision. Good
Ah!
job.
Way to Kaiser!
I need the health. No, the health.
The light will shine through.
You have to like pick that up with
Hey, I was like on the other end of the map. I flashed to get here faster. I should have taken kills this game. I knew I should have done it. Nice shot, Cal. You want to get this tower?
It's low enough. I'm not gonna dive it though.
Yeah, that's why I was just like,
Well, I have heavy hands. Nope.
Yeah, like what? God damn it, guys!
Oh god. I can't help you. I know you did. I'm gonna turn around.
God damn it, guys!
It's his fault.
I almost got the tower in there. It was like an auto attack.
Yeah, I know. I have the heavy hands mode. I just lost your kiss. I can't right now. I'm busy. When's your ultimate up, Calvin? Oh, it's up now. Mine's up at 30. Oh god, there's 4 people in top lane to deal with Vlad. God damn. Whoa, what are you doing?
training?
I killed it with the tray.
Is that damage to the tower?
It should. I think it was connected. Yeah, drag it up.
Well, unless it's like a free auto attack question mark.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Sit! Stay! No! Bad Nasus. Bad Graves. I heard you like CC. So CC me killing you. Move out of my way. I must attack this tower.
Actually, no, I can solo this. You guys get that.
Nope. Yeah, not enough minions.
Oh, I can probably solo.
If my ult was up, I'd go bot lane. I want that farm. The tower's gonna get us before I get there. At first I thought Leona just soloed red buff. I'm like, god damn, what are you building, Mitch?
Yeah, Mitch.
I'm about to start building damage.
I know you want this, but I want the health. Oh.
2 more stacks.
A wimbo way, a wimbo way, a wimbo way. God damn it, Alex.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle. The
Oh god,
lions
Alex, they're all coming for you.
Alex, get out.
Ow.
And then V and yeah, he not only runs, he flashes and leaps.
Flash, leap, and heal speeds farther.
Hey, sit down.
Why are we doing this?
I
Help.
don't know.
Need somebody help. Not just anybody help.
Oh, I'm out, I'm out, I'm out, I'm out. I'm done, I'm done. Ow.
We need a support. We got flash again.
Slow down. Dunk! That's all I feel when I do that. Dunked.
Okay, my mana problems are over.
Alex.
I'm sorry, I was trying to save our support Corky.
No.
That time I was Carrie Leona.
Yeah, that was Carrie Leon. I was like,
Do it!
Like, I'm out of mana. Going in.
Just do it, Scion.
That's obviously what AP Scion is.
Thank God this Vi didn't build them out. Oh, hey, Vi, what's up?
Oh! I flashed for that kill! Damn supports.
I'm out! Why the Hydra active? Confusion!
Hail Hydra.
Hail Hydra! In this case, is why you play full AD Scion mid. Because my Q's doing almost 714 damage fully charged.
Are you recording this?
Yes, I am.
Good. Now everybody will look at those
Oh, we're going. God damn it.
Do we want to go for Baron or do we want to wait?
I don't know, but it's time to go.
Oh, well, you're probably dead.
My ult isn't up this time. No. Oh, yeah, he froze.
God damn it, Vlad!
I'm coming back in, I guess. Oh,
I was just about to just ult him straight up. Just straight up ult.
now you could top lane maybe?
Just use my ult.
We'll look at that far.
Help! I need somebody.
Help.
Help!
Thank you.
Assists! Not just any assists. It doesn't work too well.
He's just a poor Corky support scholar.
Did you just say a poor piece of pork chops?
No, a Corky support.
Oh.
Yes.
Gary Nocturne has static shift.
Yes! Oh my god, I need to get static shiv.
I need one.
I'm 9 and 2.
I'm the jungler.
I'm the assassin.
You're supposed to be 9 and 1.
Like I say, Calvin. Fine, just run away.
Distance! I'm Fuck! I'm no longer I'm sorry I went I don't have Essence Reaver yet.
Trying to get around to the line.
It's okay.
Wait, I have an idea. I'll never be again. Mana pots.
That's what I thought, sir. You back right the fuck off. This is my tower.
Meanwhile,
Okay.
Vladimir's in their base.
Yeah, they really want this dragon.
My ulti's up in 20.
Mine's up to 60, please. Trying to save you. I did save you, didn't I?
Yep.
I'm so.
I was gonna
Didn't
tell
save
her,
the
oh,
fucking Carrie Leona though.
oh, good job.
I'm coming.
Man, like,
I don't have boots, but I'm coming.
Whoa!
Chilling. Do they look like fucking banana?
Meanwhile, Vlad, like, Jesus Christ, Vlad.
Mini nor banana.
No, they weren't.
They said banana on them.
I wonder if my boss got anymore. Is that Angel? Ah, shit.
Yeah, who needs to play Vayne? When I can play Leona.
Mana pots!
Essence Reaver and Blue Buff.
Oh my god, guys, 30 health. That last minion wave I just cleared saved me.
You can have the rest of the barbecue. Should probably get boots.
Nah. If you get too tanky, that you won't even need them.
Jesus Christ.
Why you know IE?
Who, me?
No, the carry, Leona.
I actually want to do a AD
An
Leona.
elixir of iron for Nocturne.
Your trail, when you ult. Then, he's supposed to be in a bruiser.
But he says he's an assassin.
we want him to be fast.
They want his allies to be fast.
But they want Nocturne to be fat.
Yes. No, I really wish I could flash during my ult. Oh, dead. Yes, kill the Scion. Full AD Scion.
Let's get
Kill
there.
him. Not only do I do like 300 damage on auto attack, I do 10% max health with it. Kill me more.
Sorry, Galen.
I don't care.
Got the took one for the team.
I took one for the team.
Also, Deadpool 80 says.
It's kind of a problem.
Oh, and I killed Lux. I got Blue Buff.
Vlad apparently needs to go.
I have.
Okay, guys.
Well, let's wait.
My ulti is up in 10. I plan on killing all of them. 5, 4, 3,
Wait for
2,
Vlad.
fuck it. I'm a bitch!
Okay, so there's other guys are no fences, and you want to equal it.
Oh, no, no. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh. Oh, hell no. Okay, thank you, bye.
Woohoo! See, that Scion ult worked.
You almost got me fucking killed!
It's got everyone killed. Except for like Vlad.
I didn't escape.
I did too.
I was-
I flashed.
So did I. Well, guys, that was the Dark Train. Hope you
I
enjoyed.
got an A+.